guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to delete TikTok messages for both sides. So let's get started. So if you want to delete TikTok message from both sides, then what you can do is just simply open up your TikTok application, and after opening up your TikTok application, head over to your inbox. And inside your inbox, now if you select a person and then send a message to that person, and now if you try to delete that message, so if you want to delete that messages from both sides, then what you can do is just simply tap and hold on to that message, and in the bottom you can find this delete option. Just tap on it, and after tapping on delete you can find this first option, which is delete for everyone. So just tap on that option, and after tapping on that option, the message that you have sent will be deleted from both sides. So the person that you have sent the message will not receive that message, and the message in your account will also be deleted. So that's it guys, this is how to delete TikTok messages from both sides. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.